morning, blessed Sunday, PCCI members, and also to Sir Roger, our president. No? Now, nandito po ako sa South Mall, Las Piñas. It's about 5 a.m. To begin our ocular para sa hustle walk natin this 2026. Before anything else, no, we have to start our warm-up and also to check kung yung mapping natin is sakto lang para sa ating mini event. Tara, let's go! So we have started about 5:30 a.m. in the morning. Slow walk pace po tayo. I'll check my pacing later. So as you can see, ayan, nasa likod yung soon to be sponsor natin. Ayan, hopefully So on the first round, I will try to make it na walk lang muna. Slow pace. So you have to stretch all. By the way, no, the key in walking or jogging or running is in the breathing and feeling the air through your nostrils, no. So when you inhale, this goes by the nostril, pause for a while, then you exhale slowly through your mouth. So it's very effective when you have to do the run walk pace, no. Normally natutunan ko yan during my running era sa mga marathons and fun runs na ginawa ko. Morely as 1 to 2 minutes, no, na walk, then another for 5 minutes for run. So yan, check you out later, no. Continue ko lang muna yung aking first pace. So we have
workout paused.
We have reached the first route, itong first corner, yung southwest. Ayan, so papunta na tayo sa kabilang side. Go.
Workout resumed.
So yun, no. So you check my map here in South Mall. Yan yung square area dyan. Yan, South Mall perimeter yan. Now I'm already on my pace for jogging. So nasa 6.9 to 7.0 kilometer per hour ako pag nag-pace jog ako. So kapag nag-walking naman ako, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, I'll try to pace walk later, no? Try to pace walk. Alright, so bababa yung speed ko. Ayan, so gradual yung pagbaba niya kapag kay Samsung Health, no? Ayan, so I am walking at a speed of 4.5 kilometer per hour, no. So binagalan ko lang siya kasi nag-jog ako ng konti, no. So ayan, pag nag-power walk ako, yung sinasabi natin na talaga na fast pace ng walking, no. Ayan, ay gagawin ko siya. So maabot siya ng ayan, 4.5 ayan, yung 5.1 na sinasabi ko, 5.2 kanina, 5.3. Ayan, yan ang fast walking ko or power walk na tinatawag natin. No. So very efficient din pala, no. Ah, hopefully we tap into Samsung Health, no, soon. Kung paano pa natin magagamit and efficient itong ating application for our health monitoring, workout monitoring. Hindi ko ba check yung meal planning, no, pero we will try to explore. Ayan. So ayan, currently we hit the 5,000 steps, no, with a distance of 4 kilometer. Nakaka almost 45 minutes na po tayo at the pace of 4.5 to 4.8. Ayan. So nakikita nyo yung 3,000 steps na, no? Yan. So about 25 minutes with 3,000 steps, 2.5 kilometer distance at the pace of 4, approximately an average of 4.1 to 5.3 kilometer per hour. So medyo sayang siya, no? So, anyway, as I recall, no, may science din yung pag-execute ng isang walk or isang natawag natin hustle walk. So the manner how or paano yung bagsak ng paa mo, yung push ng feet mo naman pag lift mo ng leg mo, no. Kung mapapansin nyo kasi 'di ba, kung may na-check kayo doon na gasgas dun sa sapatos nyo when you are cleaning your shoes, no, iba-iba yung gasgas or napupudpod yung isang part, let's say sa heels or yung naunang napupudpod yung sa harap. So makikita nyo, no, na hindi balanse or yung doon mo makikita yung saan napupudpod or ano yung unang-unang bumabagsak pag or nagli-lift kayo kapag nag-go-walk kayo or nag-jog kayo. So maybe we could we could discuss this also with an expert, no, yung sa mga physician na expert for sa mga paa. Ayun po, no. So we're talking about feet na rin. So might as well that we have to study na rin yung right shoes for different feet, no. Sabi nga ng mga professional athletes na nakausap natin, no, iba-iba yung type ng sapatos para sa type ng sport. Meron din naman type ng feet, no. I'll check. Parang meron kasing sinasabi na correct me if I'm wrong, may mga flat-footed, no, na sinasabi, no. So iba yung type ng shoes na para sa kanila. So yung ibang mga other feet, no, na type, parang
Total 1 kilometer.
5 ano
10
yan.
minutes 46 seconds.
So yan, naka 1
Steps
kilometer
12,
na ako.
82 steps.
So yun nga, sabi nga, no, there are different types of feet for different types of shoes or different shoes for different type of feet. Baliktad pala. So yan, I believe meron daw 5. So we will check for the physician kung tama po yun, no. Re-research po natin yan with our publication team. Now as we go by, no, wala naman sa brand yan, wala din naman yan sa presyo, no. Depende talaga sa nagdadala ng sapatos. Joke. So sa mga possible na magiging sponsor, no, shout out na lang, look out natin, no, kung sino yung matatapin ng mga team natin, no, especially sa mga sapatos and also for the sports gear when it becomes to when it collides to our hustle walk. So eventually sa isang ikot, no? Ayan, actually naka 1 kilometer nga ako kanina. From the point of origin, almost 1 kilometer siya. You know, one good reason pala, no, bago ko makalimutan, no, why I'm going against the ano. Ayan, it's a technique eh. Kasi yung traffic, no, yung flow ng traffic ng mga sasakyan, you have to see it, no, while you do your workout, no. Yun yung isa sa safety na natutunan ko during my running era. And I've been going with the elite and professional runners, no. Kailangan against the flow ka ng traffic ng sasakyan para nakikita mo sila, so you can evade it, no. Ayan, meron akong freebies tip ako sa inyo na nabigay, no. Currently I'm trying one stretch or long stride walking. Ayan, so I am striding on the pace na I'm stretching my glutes. Ayan. So mabagal na pace siya. Ito nga yung sinasabi natin na kailangan natin matutunan sa walking or dun sa ating hustle walk. Hindi lang siya basta walking. You have to have a different style or of walking, yung para ma-target mo yung mga different ligaments mo or muscles mo when you're walking. Hindi lang siya isang part ng muscle na na-stretch mo. You have to look upon every route mo or every run mo or every walk mo. Nata-target mo yung ibang muscles mo, no, for the benefit that para ma-balance mo yung muscle workout mo. So nata-target mo siya lahat. Ayan. So I'm stretching my glutes. May iba naman ng ginagawa, they go backward. Pag for example, na ang tawag dito, yung muscles na sa front or yung kanilang mga front toes masakit, ang ginagawa nila, they do a walk backward. Ayan, ganyan. Ayan, diba? So yun, may sasakyan pala, harap muna ako. Safety lang, safety. Ayan. So currently pwede mo siyang gawing ganon kapag nakaka-feel ka ng sprain or nakaka-feel ka ng pain nun sa mga front muscles mo, no? You can use that technique. So ayan, another document po yun. Sa mga hindi pa nakakilala sa akin, ako si Engineer Mark Louie Arcos. Isa akong businessman, professional mechanical engineer, fitness aficionado, and a loving husband to my beautiful wife, and an amazing dad to my 3 wonderful children. Yun nga, good morning mga ka-hustle walk. Ayan. So kahapon we're in Pampanga and Bukawi. Now we are in Las Piñas doing our Sunday routine, no, for physical activity, mental health, and also fitness, no, and wellness. So as you can see, marami tayong kasabay dito. Ayan. So the sun is rising. So hopefully makakuha tayo ng vitamin D, no, para sa ating skin. Ayan. So good morning. So I wanted to start my fitness journey or 90 days challenge as early as today, para naman makabalik tayo dun sa last chapter natin, no, yung journey natin into fitness, no, yung ating fat shredding ah, journey dati, no? So hopefully ma-continue natin, ma-sustain natin. Ang susi lang naman kasi sa fitness journey is yung consistency, no, yung dedication. Kasi yeah, might as well, no, marami pros and cons dyan, no. Yung startup mo is good, powerful, maraming preparations and motivations, pero yung sinasabi natin na consistency is within the mental execution na yan eh, yung mindsetting mo. When you will be starting again, or yung sinatawag natin na open season, no? Kasi currently fitness is about also in recovery, no? Hindi naman ibig sabihin na pag fitness kailangan takbo ka ng takbo, workout ka ng workout. Part of our fitness journey is the recovery o yung rest, no? Ito yung pag-heal ng ating body, ng muscles natin, no? Time to reflect also, no? Para ano ba yung mga goals na na-hit na natin, tapos ano ba yung mga goals yung gusto pa nating ma-achieve, no? Kasi iba-iba naman talaga tayo ng sports, iba-iba tayo ng mental health status, iba-iba tayo ng work lifestyle, no? So yan, different categories. So ayan. So meron din palang area dito sa South Mall, pwede natin magamit to yan, ito yung downhill. Ito lang yung area, may downhill and uphill dito sa route ng South Mall. So actually kapag nag-run or nag-jog ka, sinasabi rin natin na you have to have the technique kapag nagda-downhill ka or nag-uphill walk, jog or run ka, dahil it might cause certain injury, no? Kapag hindi tama or pag hindi tama yung pag-execute mo nung walk uphill, downhill mo. Ayan, pa-uphill na tayo. So kailangan talagang may distract. For the beginners, no, hindi mo naman kailangan talagang i-push ng todo yung mga muscles mo o yung pag-execute ng mga steps mo when it comes to uphill and downhill, dahil sabi nga natin, it might cause injury, no, especially kung hindi ka masyado nag warm up. So during the warm up kanina, kung makikita nyo, hindi ako nag-stretching during the warm up like the typical workout doing. Kailangan kasi when you start up an exercise or something na extreme or light exercise, kailangan mobility talaga siya. So yun yung natutunan natin, na kailangan merong mobility exercise na ginagawa. Ayan. So kapag cool down ka naman, eto na, mga marami kasing pros and cons, no? Baka i-bash ako. Kailangan din na mag cool down ka with a stretching or para mabanat mo yung mga muscles na nagamit mo during a certain workout, no? And especially ito din is one of the key factor kapag nagkakanda ka ng mga workouts is yung hydration mo. You check your hydration, preparation, of course. So pero next chapter na lang natin pag-usapan yun, no? Basta timely, you have to control yung intake mo ng fluid or ng mga kung nagsusupplements ka during your walk or jog routine, kasi dito rin nakadepende yung performance mo doon. So another chapter, pag-usapan natin yan. So hingi tayo ng mga comments and suggestions nating mga experts. Na-hit na natin yung 10,000 steps natin at approximately distance of 8 kilometer distance. Then sa duration ng 1 and 30 or less than 1 and 30 minutes. Yan. So currently, kota na tayo. So tatapusin ko na lang yung remaining hours kasi meron pa naman 30 minutes. No, nag-start tayo, maaga pa naman, sabi ko nga matatapos ako 7:30. Pero hopefully we enjoy the rest of the day. And it's Sunday, so might as well you have to go to church and thank God for our new life. Now I'm about to finish my workout. About 7:35 na ng umaga. Mataas na ang araw. And I believe we meet our target goal for this morning. Ayan. So yung ating steps, no, check natin mamaya, important. So surprise mo na. Mamaya i-screenshot ko na lang. Tapos mag cool down exercise na ako, yung stretching natin para hindi naman ako magkaroon ng fatigue, muscle soreness. Come to the end of my training for this open season. So 3, 2, 1.
Target reached.
Okay, screenshot natin yan, guys. Screenshot natin. Yan. Then stop ko na. Finish. Okay, nice. So yun yung map. Ito yung total kilometer. Okay. Blessed Sunday.